Hi everybody. I have 3 projects that I wanted to show you today, and one repair that I had to make on something that I ordered. But also I wanted to show you this lighted candle from Cracker Barrel, and the reason I'm showing it to you is because I was watching a video, and that's how I even found the candle, where they were doing a walkthrough of the Christmas things that you can buy at Cracker Barrel, and they walked by and they thought that the light, that this candlelight wasn't working right. They thought that it didn't have any glitter in it. So I wanted to show you how it actually works. It has the light up button on the bottom and it lights up. But to make the glitter show, what you have to do is tip it over a few times, shake it down, and that will make the glitter come up. And then you have a pretty glittery candle. There we go. So sometimes the people that are doing tours of these Christmas shops don't always know how things work, so I thought that I would show you that. And then I also made a centerpiece for my church for our Christmas dinner that we'll be having. And this was just a greenery bunch that I got from Walmart. And then I thought it was a little bit bare, and the pine cone in the center was broken. And it was the only one they had. So I put this extra sprig that I ordered also from Walmart. I ordered some of these sprigs, and I put one in the center. And then I added this reindeer, and I had to use it. I was having a hard time getting this reindeer to stand up. So I put a wire around his belly, and what I will do is when it was a green wire and I didn't want it to show, and so when the glue dries on his wire there, I'm going to put a little holly leaf over that. And Christmas, Merry Christmas Shadowbox. Now this came with only those 2 tiny bottle brush trees, but I thought it was really cute, and I thought one of these days I'll do something with it. And this year it just occurred to me that a great thing to do would be to put these tiny little package bow ornaments, the 3 on the left, the little Santa, the snowman, and the elf, inside of it. And then I also ordered this tiny little miniature mushroom, and the teeny tiniest little snowman. That is the tiniest miniature I have ever seen. Show you my, whoops, crashed. I'll show you my thumb in comparison to how small that little guy is. He really is tiny. And I just love it. So that's going to go in my kitchen this Christmas. And then I also wanted to show you some deer that I ordered, and one of them came with a broken leg. These came from Amazon, and I really liked them, but one came with a broken leg, and so I thought that I started to contact Amazon, and then I realized that what I could actually do is snap off the other 3 good legs on this little reindeer and make him shorter than the other one, which is actually more interesting. So that's what I did. So all you do is, if you get one and you want it that way, or you just want to redo it and have a smaller reindeer, you snap the plastic legs off And then you take a file, any hardware file should work just fine, and you file down any rough edges, and also you may have to do a little filing because you want the feet to be even and to balance. And then I took some black paint and I painted on his little hooves the same way the other one had, and I ended up with a nice reindeer pair that I actually like better than if the one had not come broken. Okay, and then the last thing I wanted to show you are these ornaments that I'm making now. I bought some clear ornaments. These are the hobbyist ornaments that you can add things to. Some people just put them on the tree clear, but they came from the Target Wonder Shop collection. They were $5. I think, did I get these? I can't remember if I got these this year or last year, actually, because it's been kind of a hectic year for me. But I think actually I probably got them in September of this year. I got them early, so I would have some to work on my project. And what I did is I made a bunch of ornaments with holly inside. I got a holly garland. I ordered a holly garland, and it wasn't for this. I was going to use it as a garland on something, and it turned out to be a snipped up garland. Somebody had cut it up to use it for something, and they sold it on eBay as a garland, which is not really quite accurate because it was cut up. But I decided I could use it anyway for my project. So what I did is I snipped it up even further into little bouquets, and I took the little terminal ends of the artificial holly and poked it down inside to make these ornaments. And nothing to it, just snip and then push them down in. Now pushing them down in, of course, was a little bit of a trick, and I'll show you how I did it. Now, when I first started these, I didn't think I was going to be able to get any inside, so I just snipped up some leaves and holly berries and dropped them in, and that looks nice too. But I thought, I wonder if I can actually get a whole end of the holly plant in there, and so that's what I did. And I'll try to demonstrate this and see if I can get one in here and show you how I did it. Okay, what you do is you just adjust my camera. You just gently pull off the end cap off of the glass ornament. This is a nice strong blown glass ornament. And then you take your little sprig, and I found it was easiest to put the berries in first. And then what I did is tuck a holly leaf down inside the hole. And then I continued to tuck more holly leaves down inside the hole. bend this one to get it to go down in. This is why I don't do a lot of DIY projects where you can see me do it, because it kind of takes time with my arthritic hands to get this done. But this one is going to go in. There it goes. And you give it a little shake. And then you take a pencil or I'm using a paintbrush here, and you turn it around until you get it where you want it. And there we go. And then you tuck the wires in first and then snap the cap back on. And there's your little Christmas ornament, clear glass Christmas ornament with the holly in it. And you could even put some clear little crystals or snow in the globe if you want to. And you can then have them for your tree, or for gifts, or a wreath, or you know, even sell them on Etsy. They sell these on Etsy. I saw some with little cars in them. I haven't seen any exactly like this, but they used to have some years ago that had green foliage in them. So, and they won't all come out exactly the same, but they're very similar. Here's one that I did that I really like that has 4 leaves in it. And this one has 3. I'm trying to decide which I like best. I like both of them. And I even like the one where it's just the leaves and the berries at the bottom of the globe too. They're all pretty. So that's all I have to show you today. And I will be back as soon as I get my Christmas picture done that I'm working on. I have one more touch-up to make on it, and then it'll be ready to show you. And I've already decorated my tree and put up a wreath, and just doing all kinds of things to get ready for my living room and kitchen tour for the Christmas holiday. Everybody have a great Thanksgiving if you're watching this before Thanksgiving, and have a great holiday weekend, and have a safe trip if you're driving. And thank you for coming in and watching today. Bye-bye.